Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a link for photos in Google Drive. So as you can see, we are on our Google homepage and we're going to come up to these dots here, Google Apps, and then we're going to press on G Drive. And then once that's loaded, what we're going to do is come over to My Drive and we're just going to upload a photo. So I'm just going to right click and then I'm going to do File Upload. And then I'm just going to add in this picture here. Cool. Okay, so once that's uploaded, I'm just going to double click on it. And then I'm going to come up to the top right hand side here and then say share. And then you can have an option here. So as you can see, you've got general access. So what we're going to do is click on this downward arrow and then we're going to say to anyone with the link. Okay. And then we're going to press copy the link. And then you've got your link copied, and then what you can do is pop this in an email to anyone and they'll be able to see this image. So I'll just show you that it works. So we're just going to open up a new window, paste in the link, and there we go. Let's have a look. Amazing. There we go. That has worked for us. So it could be the same thing if you're wanting to share an album. So let's have a look. So if we head back, okay, and then let's say we've got a new, so a new folder, and if we called it photos, amazing. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to add in that picture. Cool. Okay, amazing. So what's going to happen is we're going to share our photos. So we're just going to click on this person with the plus sign. And as you can see, we've got the same image pop up. So again, you want to say anyone with the link, and then we are going to copy the link. And then it is the same as last time that you can pop that in an email to someone. We just paste it and then you can see, there you go. They have got access to that folder. So I really hope that this video was helpful for you guys. If you could leave us a like or a subscribe, that would be amazing. We do appreciate it so much. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.